Yay! And then this is cleaning some dirty and smelly fish. Wow. See you at the garage. But before that, I need to wear my special costume. And here's my costume. See you at the garage. Hey kids, I'm already here. And then this time the challenge is starting. And then look at the fish. This time we're doing the large. Like a big bunch of jelly. Liquid jelly. Open. Gill up. Check. So, brain. This. So bony and scaly. But I can handle this. Because I'm the strongest boy in the whole wide world. Still liver. Got it! I tampered the instance. Wow, there's so much of these. Yeah. Instances help the fishes. I am on my fourth. Now to clean all this, you need a strainer. Like a bunch of gross spaghetti. A fork. A fork full of double octopuses. Do is to wash your hands with soap. Make sure that all the bloods are out. You can also do it while exercising. Okay kids, now I'll go back to the fish, but this time I'm cleaning it. So if you have a faucet like this, close this thing, pour some water in it, wait until it hits all the fish. Container, and then when the fish is getting rinsed, put it back. Whoa, wait, you're dead. So why is it a sticker? Hey kids, do you know why the water's red? Huh? You didn't know? It's because of the blood. That's the blood. Oh man, boy, you're eating so much. Well, and then we release the water. Look how it releases. Also, water pushing it. Last one. We'll make it fast this time, and then for the third batch, another fast. Okay, 3 minutes. Great job. Done. This is the final batch. I like the overview. Time to put the fish flat. Flat. So splatable. What? I made a bigger splat. What about more? What? Hey everyone! This is the great experiment of smelly fish. You can help your mommy or daddy or anyone that you love. And then also click the subscribe button and then click the notifications to know if we have more latest videos. Bye! Just do it!